Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. A few months ago when Ling and FD forward and met the world know, so watch you know, Sting is back on this year. Me telling us say yo, whole heap of camp go rise up against camp. Whole heap of artists go rise up against artists. And when me see really start to happen, me I say yo, me blame Ling and me blame FD. Because if them never forward with Sting this year, so much clash would not go on. The artists them would have just stay in them lane, do them look a song, do them this, do them that. But right now, almost every artist in the industry a war. And when me say me blame Ling and me blame FD, me not really mean it in a bad way. But me just make you know say them are the source and the cause of this. Yes, we have to big up Terror than see we cause yo man make you know say man the war organizer, the chief of staff, everything we involve dancer clash. And we see him push a lot of them. But right now, we see a little war a go on where me never expect this. To tell you the truth, me not even know where this are forward from. But before we get into that, we see Ling and we see FD them a promote World War III, which is a war between Malidan and Pablo YG. And me I tell you now, that's going to be a very, very interesting clash at Sting. We see Pablo YG forward and he make everybody know say yo, once Ling and FD say the word, him ready. So it look like say Ling and FD say the word, Malidan agree, and we are gonna see World War III at Sting. But right now, them need for plan for World War IV, same place at Sting, between a youth, a young youth, very talented, named Chappies. Me don't know if me call him name correct. Me don't know if he name Chxpz, Chxpz, or Chappies. But based on how you spell it, me I go pronounce it Chappies. We see him just drop a song a couple minutes ago, aimed at Marksman. Yeah man, the student chopper. And me I tell you, this song wicked and a hit we are going to talk about now. But before we go in details, me ask you for them one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. You reach this far. So watch out man, give the video a like. We'll get straight tonight. This are how Chappies kick off the track. And the track is titled Guardsman. So the moment me see the title, me I say, yo, me have to listen to this card. This sound away. Marksman, Guardsman. Anyway, this are how him kick it off.
Man, that man, Jesus Christ.
Yeah man, well grimy already. You can hear the little tone in the background. I say, yo, watch you know. Me I go murder him. And if you remember Josh's infamous interview, it looks to me like a deso him pull that from or pull part of it from. But that's not the real thing. Make we go in at the track further.
Them all them not chop a soul. Spitting in your face, so mark up a coal. The big belly boy me pick up on the scope.
Yo Marksman, uno sauce them all. Uno not chop a soul. And that this a little youth, I know. Remember, you know, you say a student chopper. This a youth, a younger youth for Marksman. And him a forward and make Marksman know. Say, brother, you see the style you know I use, them they outdated. If you call people and see you win this and see you win that, come on, nobody not chop nothing like them weird.
Cash you can't talk on the phone. Wally a chit chat me have a laugh when you post. About you run wrong, you can't pass na my zone.
Come on, nobody not chop like that again. And you see the big belly boy we are par with, me pick him up on the scope. So tell him, say, yo, watch himself. So from the moment me hear that, me I say, yeah man, this definitely aimed at Marksman. But when he go and say, yo, the big belly boy, we not have to go around. A Marksman and one Bigz and him attack. But we check out some more of the track.
Chopper up for cream last in farm. Chopper never run it gun, I just pass him pass. Mount a gun where you
I will forward and say the chopper running grung. You remember? The chopper running grung. You remember that song there? You remember that line there? Yeah man, Marksman same one forward and say it. But at this Chappies I make him know, brother, you not run nowhere, you just a run around the place, you not run the ground. But hombre, you not even can pass in a me zone. So yo, you not run nowhere about ya. Talk ya talk, but you not do the action.
shot bust me nah give boy knife joke. Me have a pan clip and a low pint too. So me no talk, me squeeze it and
him go back and say it again in the exact line after what him just said earlier. The chopper, you never run the ground. I just pass your pass. When Massacre just a forward, no Massacre make no know say yo, watch you know. Him a go dead with him finger on the trigger. And at that Chappies a make no know Hombre, a straight shot with boss. We no deal with the stabbing thing, we no deal with the knife thing, we no deal with the ratchet thing. Hombre, a bullet to your brain pan rapid.
But out in your marksman, better you go swinging at your mother like Tarzan. Big pussy hold them a post when I talk long. Hey.
Whoa, hold on. We not run past that. And what him just say? Let me listen again, cause me no know if I mean I hear good.
But out in your marksman, better you go swinging at your mother like Tarzan. Big pussy hold them a post when I talk long. Hey.
The man go brawling. The man not in the subliminal. The man not beat around the bushes. The man make sure tight to the song Guardsman. And it's a diss track aimed at Marksman. And him call out him name Brawling. Boy, your name Marksman. Me not beat around no bushes and go on like say, you me attack. And you me attack Marksman. And the man go as far as tell the man say, yo, figure that, yo, Jaja. All is fear in love and war. And if you tell you the truth, me like this song. Me no care where a guy want say. That song ya wicked. That song ya wassy. And Marksman, him have to respond. Them type of this ya, yo, gone already days when the man them low out the Mada. Remember you know run a jam roll or 8, you know, when Vibes Cartel and Mother do a war and he go Mada, you know, and get boo, you know, cause people not deal with them thing there, you know. But right now, them little young youth, them nah no manners.
Them nah have gun mount a shot in at the bad pan. You not bad, so what the fuck y'all look war for? Put more dark full of gun.
The man say Marksman not bad, so him a look war for. And as I told you earlier, me never see this forward in, me never expect this, me don't know where to forward from. But from him forward and say, yo, where you look war for, then that simple means say, something go down, a wagwan. You know, enlighten me. I don't know if some words show up on IG live or on TikTok, or we don't know. And there's some most of the artists or the dancehall artists, them bring them beef over upon the internet. You know, see them forward and drop a song. Maybe it's a case where two of them they want to show and something go on. Me don't know. You tell me, but it obvious say, yo, something there.
Out in my blood clot, Bigz rock shot in your face. Me no aim for no 6-pack. Boy belly full of beer sheets, I make me fix that.
Yo, watch him over this one, Bigz rock. Boof, shot in your face, you. What you do? Bigz rock, where that I go?
No need to fret, my aim straight like whisper. No one for make your skull bust like blister. Shot broke bone.
Yo, right now me unsure if more want to go further in the review. This song too bad. The man say, yo, him not missing no. Cause guess what? Me aim straight like whisper. You see, if you don't know who Whisper is, just type in Whisper KC. Just go up on Google right now and do that.
Hands, nah, boss coat, prefer raise up a chip clock.
Yo, yes or not so clear. Viewers and subscriber, why him just tell a while? Him nah boss code, so him rather raise up a chip Glock, or him say nah boss coke, so him rather raise up a chip Glock. Me no sure say him say something about the chip Glock thing, but me not sure if him say code or coke. Tell me down below, cause yo, it look like say outside of Bigz done and Marksman, other people head might get bust out. Some more uno, the viewers and the subscribers, just run go over Chappies page and listen to the song and also forward back and tell me what him say like a while in the last part I sang there.